I begin by blessing and baptizing this channeling in the love and light of Creator, asking that purest truth be revealed under grace and in perfect ways. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Indeed, dear ones, we would like to begin by expanding upon the language we shared. As we shared last time, Shaya Nara, I accept the mother. And once you have allowed yourself to accept her, we then invite you to accept her blessings, her love. Shaya, Shaya, Shaya. Yatari Nyata. Love and blessings. The music, the tones, the voice creates a space, creates an expansion of gateways, of portals. These portals have indeed been painted. The visual, along with the sound, along with the messages. There are many gateways and many opportunities. You can indeed create your own gateway to the angelic realms, your own portal to the celestial realms of light. For this is indeed your birthright. There are also standardised portals that are waiting to be utilised. Gateways to blessings and love. The Lion's Gateway comes during the month of August 0808. Oh, 0808. This gateway is an opportunity to accept abundance and blessings. It is an opportunity for you to align to your divine design. It is an invitation to connect to the Mother, Father, an opportunity to align and receive. This particular gateway comes but once a year. And it is indeed connected to Leo. Therefore, you understand it has been given the name Lion's Gateway. There is within all of you an aspect of Leo, the lion. This aspect is within each and every soul. How you choose, dear one, how you choose to align at this time, on this day, year after year, is your choice. You may choose to spend time in the sun. You may choose to spend time with the moon, the stars. You may choose to spend time with your heart. You may honor the divine within you and around you. It is indeed imperative that each and every day you keep your thoughts to that of abundance and love. However, on this day, the day of the Lion's Gateway, it is imperative that you keep your thoughts aligned to love and all that is not love. You dispel, dissipate, and transform to love. Love is the key. You may choose to use the key of love and enter the gateway with an open heart, expanding your auric field For this, dear one, is how you connect the divine within to the divine within all, the divine within everything conceivable, everything which vibrates with frequency has a divine aspect. Are you willing to accept your own divinity? Shaya Ata. Shaya Ata. Shaya Ata. I accept my divinity. I accept my divinity. I accept my divinity. We ask you to use these words, dear one. And as before, with your hands and arms facing up, saying the words, Shaya Ata. Shaya Ata. 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 You hear, dear one, the ah. And notice, dear one, how this is within many sacred names. Yehovah, Shekinah, Krishna, Allah, Buddha, Maria, Yeshua. Is the divine, sacred name. Dear ones, you are all avatars. You are all of the divine. Each and every one of you. You are creations of pure divinity. Therefore, on this gateway, the Lion's Gateway, the King of the jungle, as it were. You reclaim your own sovereignty. You choose to wear the crown. You choose to be the ruler of your life by claiming and honoring and accepting your divinity. Aya Shaya Ata. If we break down the word avatar, my earthly divinity, you are not your body. Your body is merely a suit to house your divinity. Wake up now, beautiful souls, to your own divinity. So are you ready to step through the lion's gateway? We invite you to join us. We invite you to join us. The unity, consciousness. Together as one, we step in and become the gateway to sovereignty. And so it is. If you choose. And so it is.